My name is Shashwat Pratap Rao.
My name is Athavish Karma.
We are from Academy Global School and we will explain you a project about how to prove the Pythagorean theorem. Now, my friend Athar Vishkarma will explain you about the first proof.
We have a triangle with sides AB and C. So the C is hypotenuse, B is base, and A is perpendicular here. Now I have three more copies of the triangle, and this is the screen. So if we arrange the perpendiculars of the triangles along the perimeter of the squared screen, so we will get a figure like this. Now the unoccupied area has the sides C, C, C and C. So the area will be C square. If we arrange them in another specific pattern, then the areas of the left and unoccupied areas are A square and B square. Therefore, we get a familiar formula of Pythagoras theorem, which is A square plus B square equals C square.
Now, I will explain you one more project related to that. This we will make a triangle ABC perpendicular to BA. Now we will make a figure by using the four triangles like this, which will form a square C square, and there will be a leftover area in the between. This side is B and this is A, so this becomes B minus A. Now this square whole area will be equal to C square, and the area of four triangles plus this area will also be equal to C square. No, now we came here. So the area of four triangles will be 4 into AB by 2, that will become 2AB, and the 4 times area of B minus A square area will be B square minus 2AB plus A square. So finally we get at A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now Athar Vishkarma will explain you one more project related to that.
Here in this screen, we get a triangle with its sides square on its sides. So if it is A square, means its overlap it's completely with side A and A. So this is A square, and this whole is B square. Now if it completely fits here, so we can get the proof that A square plus B square equals C square. Now if we arrange like this, and this here and this here, then it completely fits in it, so we get it C square. Now the area of this hole is C square, and this hole is originated by the sum of A square and B square, hence proved. We get a formula A square plus B square equals C square.
Thank you.